Welcome to Auto Trend, and welcome back to Auto Trend. Today, we're exploring a beloved icon from Ford's lineup, the Ford Fiesta from 1965. While the Fiesta officially debuted later in the 1970s, today, we'll imagine a retro concept that captures the spirit of Ford's design ethos in the 1960s, blending compact design with innovation and performance. The imagined 1965 Ford Fiesta would feature a sleek, compact body, reflecting the simple yet stylish aesthetics of the 1960s. With its rounded edges, chrome details, and practical layout, this car would perfectly embody the era's focus on functionality and charm. Its lightweight design would make it a fun and agile choice for city driving. Under the hood, this retro Fiesta might house a reliable four-cylinder engine, delivering enough power for an efficient and enjoyable ride. Paired with a manual gearbox, it would provide a spirited driving experience, making it ideal for enthusiasts who appreciate the hands-on feel of classic cars. Inside, the cabin would combine practicality and comfort. Expect bucket seats, a straightforward dashboard, and an analog gauge cluster that's both easy to use and full of retro charm. This would be the kind of car that makes every journey a nostalgic trip down memory lane. While the real Ford Fiesta became a symbol of affordability and efficiency in the 1970s, this imagined 1965 version reminds us of Ford's commitment to innovation and timeless design. It's a celebration of what makes small cars special, a perfect blend of practicality and personality. Thanks for joining us on Auto Trend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into automotive history and imagination. See you next time.